In this segment, we're going to be talking about the chicken Alfredo pizza, specifically how to get the sauce started. We're going to start the Alfredo sauce with a bechamel, which is a very simple base sauce you can use to make a million different things. We're going to start over here with a little bit of butter and flour. That's going to make the roux. From there, we're going to add the cream and season it. It'll be the bechamel, then we'll add the garlic and the cheese and everything else, and then it's Alfredo. So we're going to go right over here, turn our saucepan on. Medium-low is adequate. You can see over here the chicken is done cooking. The sauce has reduced dramatically, and it's been brought to 165 degrees, which is what you need for poultry. We're going to first melt the butter for the sauce, because the roux thickens based on the reactions of the fat and the flour. And butter has water in it. So ideally what you want to do is cook some of that water out first. It'll make your roux more effective. So we're just going to melt that down. Like that. You can probably see it start to bubble. That's the water. When all the water disappears, the butter will start to brown. We want to catch it right in between there. While that sizzles away, I will get the flour. It will take a few minutes. The interesting thing about the roux is the longer you cook them, the more effective they are. So there's a lot of different types of roux. In French cooking and Italian cooking, they usually use a blonde roux. In Cajun cooking, they use a dark or even an extra dark roux, which is just cooked and cooked and cooked for gumbo or anything like that. Looks like we've stopped bubbling for the most part. We're going to add our flour. Just want to cover the butter liberally in flour. Stir that in. Doesn't really need to be an exact proportion. And that is the start of our sauce. We're going to let that cook a little more, and then in the next segment we'll talk about how to turn that into the bechamel.